Welcome to Mytharchi Architecture Design Ideas channel. Today, we're taking you on a tour of a truly exceptional home, a modern villa surrounded by lush tropical greenery. A perfect fusion of architecture and nature, this home redefines contemporary living with a bold yet elegant design. From the moment you arrive, the clean, geometric lines and the striking black and white facade immediately command attention. The use of natural texture stone, wood, and glass adds warmth and sophistication to the overall design. Let's take a look at some similar examples of this style. Stepping through the gate, we're welcomed into a tropical oasis, a beautifully curated outdoor space that blurs the line between architecture and nature. The garden is designed not just for aesthetics, but for experience. Inspired by tropical landscapes, it brings together lush greenery, layered textures, and flowing circulation to create a serene and immersive environment. Adjacent to the main living spaces, the outdoor lounge offers a peaceful retreat. With weather-resistant furniture, natural materials, and shaded pergolas, it invites slow living where time slows down and the outside world fades away. The soft sound of flowing water brings a calming rhythm to the garden. Whether it's a reflecting pool, a co-pond, a swimming pool, or a minimalist water feature, it adds movement and tranquility to the space. What truly sets this garden apart is its connection to the home. Large sliding doors, covered terraces, and continuous flooring create a seamless indoor-outdoor lifestyle, a signature of modern tropical design. For those who love to entertain, the outdoor dining area is thoughtfully placed, offering a space to enjoy meals surrounded by nature. Here, design and function meet to elevate the everyday. Step inside, and you're greeted with an expansive open-plan living area that feels airy, bright, and grounded in minimalist luxury. Full-height glass doors blur the boundaries between inside and out, allowing light and breeze to flow freely. Step inside, and you're greeted with an expansive open-plan living area that feels airy, bright, and grounded in minimalist luxury. Full-height glass doors blur the boundaries between inside and out, allowing light and breeze to flow freely. This kitchen and dining zone isn't just for cooking and eating, it's for connecting. Designed with care, grounded in simplicity, and open to nature, it embodies the essence of elevated tropical living. Flowing seamlessly from the kitchen is the formal dining area, warm and inviting space designed to bring people together. A solid wood table, elegant pendant lighting, and garden views create a setting that is both refined and relaxed. As we step into the master bedroom, the first thing you'll notice is the sense of calm and sophistication. Designed as a personal retreat, this space balances warmth and minimalism, creating a perfect sanctuary for relaxation. One of the most captivating features of this bedroom is the private terrace. Overlooking the lush tropical garden, this outdoor space is perfect for unwinding with a morning coffee or enjoying the sunset in solitude. The transition between indoor and outdoor living is seamless, reinforcing the home's connection to nature. As we enter the bathroom, we're greeted by a space that feels more like a private spa than a traditional washroom. Designed with both beauty and function in mind, this restroom blends natural textures with modern elegance. Materials are carefully selected to elevate the experience. Matte stone tiles line the walls and floor, offering texture and warmth. Brass or matte black fixtures add contrast and sophistication, while warm wood accents soften the overall tone. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a sanctuary, a space where you can refresh, relax, and reconnect in comfort and style. As the sun sets over this modern tropical oasis, the home transforms, glowing from within, radiating peace and timeless elegance. This is more than a house, it's a lifestyle statement. If you're inspired by this design, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow architecture lovers, and subscribe for more stunning home terrain design ideas every week.